Now that we understand the biggest health needs, the next step is to find people with these unmet needs. Just like before, don't get lost in data and trust your judgment. We often put too much faith in expensive stratification tools to magically reveal hidden patients. Now, while these tools can be useful in acute care, prevention is just different. One in two people could benefit from improving their health, and there's no clinical risk in offering support to the wrong person. So when engaging people is tough, it just makes sense to ask who you think might benefit. It's the quickest and simplest way. So, gut feel first, data second. A quick scan of a patient list will often highlight high need people faster than clicking around a dashboard. Or just ask a simple triage question during a routine contact. For example, what's the biggest thing affecting your health right now? Or how good are you at taking care of your health? That alone can uncover the real preventable issues. If you do want to use data, primary care data is enough. Unlike hospital data, most people are registered with their GP, and the data set already includes most preventative care needs, proxies for hospital contacts, and community touchpoints. So you don't need to wait for linked data to start identifying patients proactively. And it just works. We've seen that when people use primary care data proactively to connect people to support, like social prescribing, GP and hospital use can fall even further. It's also worth remembering that coding is caring. The better we record needs in primary care, the easier it becomes to target support and deliver the right interventions at the right time. So, what makes a good search? Well, a good search is simple and it's quick. If it feels slow or complex, simplify it. A strong EMIS or System 1 search usually does three things. Number one, it targets multiple prevention needs, not just high BMI or BP alone, but, for example, high BMI plus anxiety or depression, perhaps also with mild or moderate frailty on the record. Number two, it finds people with high GP use over several years, and this points to unmet need, not just one-off issues. Number three, filters out clinically complex patients. One shortcut to do this is to exclude those on 5 or more repeat medications. A search like this keeps your efforts laser focused, pinpointing the patients you can help the most while also cutting avoidable demand. And finally, if you need an even simpler place to start, go with newly diagnosed hypertensives. You're already required to identify them as part of the Core 20 plus 5 initiative. And a new diagnosis gives you a natural hook and gives patients fresh motivation to engage.